90 people.
I see it. I know. I don't know where to start, guys. So it's your turn. Good picture, guys. I'm working for the popcorn, guys. All right, 1, 2, 3. There's gonna be a lot of pictures tonight.
Okay, very good.
I have no doubt.
And a lot of, what is it?
This is gin tonic.
Oh, a lot of gin tonics tonight.
Drinking on the job.
So on the end of the evening, the pictures are
Better and better. All right, guys. Little picture. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you. Let's just take a little group picture of you guys. Thank you, guys. Tonight, yeah, it's pretty big.
I don't know how the captain would
Like manage.
not
Yeah.
lost it like
We're gonna have to yell a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Beautiful.
So you were at the back of the previous picture, but let's take a real one. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. You came all the way here to escape the...
Yeah, just flew in this morning.
This morning?
Yes, sir.
And ready to hit the clubs.
Pretty much. I got here this morning. Slept. No, ready.
All right. Thank you. Perfect. All right. Perfect. Oh yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. You don't get to take pictures of me if I don't take pictures of you, you know?
Just like with this guy. Same thing. Yeah. Well, he was here for a internship. Yeah. Guys, the same thing.
Oh yeah.
Just not leaving.
Not leaving.
Oh yeah. You know, I came back. I did 3 internships total. I finally at the last one. I found a job. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. I need to.
Perfect. Wow. Yeah. Let's go.
shiny.